So today is just a quick little video to show you how to turn your thin yarn into bulky yarn. So I'm planning on making a Ravenclaw scarf for my son, and I got these two colours, but I need it to work up quick. So easiest way to do that is with thick yarn. So first of all, you're going to make like I suppose a Z shape. I was going to say S shape, depends which way you're looking at it. Make it nice and big, and you're going to gather these three together and make your slip knot as you normally would. Okay, so now you've got your slip knot that your hook's going to go through, and you should have a loop and a long strand. Okay, so we've got your tail end, your loop, and your working yarn. I'm going to pop whichever size hook you're using. This one I've just gone for a 6.5. I'm going to pull that tight to your hook so it doesn't slide off. And then this is what we're going to work with. So as you would usually, you want to chain. And as you can see, we're now working 3 strands together. When this bit then gets too short, all you're going to do is in the loop, you're going to pull some more of that through, and then you've got another 3 to work with. So then you would continue to chain as you normally would. And as soon as you find that this working loop gets a little bit too short, you're just going to do the same again. And you go into the loop, and you're going to pull through your strand so that you've always got 3 pieces to work with. Sorry, I got myself in a tangle there. Pull it out, so you've got another 3, and you can keep going like that for as long as you want, and it'll be the same when you come to change colour. You'd set up your new colour and attach it as you normally would. But as you can see, we've now got a nice thick chain, and it'll work up a lot faster than working one strand. And it can, in some cases, also work out cheaper. Depends how cheap you can get the bulky yarns in the colours that you want. And there we go. Easy little trick for today.